Hi folks, I just thought of starting a series on the topic platform automation on Juniper Cares. The idea behind this is to cover both on-box and off-box scripting. This is the introduction session on on-box shell scripting. Okay, to start with platform automation. In general, we think about what is automation, what benefit I get out of it. Will I be able to use it in my network operations? Will it optimize my current routine? If you have something similar on top of your mind, this is the right place to start your journey. Today we'll be discussing about how to leverage the capabilities of the most powerful operating system, the Junos. What is Junos? Junos software is based on a Unix-based operating system, which has been rigid, made more hardened so that it can fit in a routing or in a switching or in a security platform. Okay, the good part of Junos is it has its own Unix shell, and we'll be discussing about how to leverage its capabilities. Automation use cases. Before moving to this part, I just want to explain what are the use cases of automation. So whenever you want to do some job which is done repeatedly, assume I want to monitor the box, I want to monitor the specific BHP neighbor in the box, else I want to monitor the interfaces of the box. So these are the few use cases. And assume I want to scale the device. I want to scale the device with 100K lines of configuration, static entries. Then I can leverage the capabilities of automation to do it. And in simple, I would say if there are any requirement which needs multiple iterations of jobs to be done in cycle, then the automation would be the right direction to move forward. Okay, so this is a simple sample script which captures how to capture the FXP interface, that is the out of band management interface, extensive output to a file, which can be later used for any type of analysis. If you want to monitor the statistics of the interface, then we can use this. Or assuming if you want to monitor the error, drops, or frames, then we can use this. And let me start with the demo so that it will be more appropriate to move forward. So this is a script. This is a basic shell script we have, and I've just made it a simple while loop so that whatever is being configured between the while loop will be running in infinity loop once the script is started. Here I'm just using the CLI minus C operator so that I'm trying to run a CLI command from the router shell. I'm also capturing the date so that it can be used to plot a graph at what point of time this output is taken. And we have a sleep operation which can be introduced in the script so that we can control the time gap between any two execution of this command line. So currently it has been configured for 5 seconds, which we can tweak it based upon your requirement. And this is a plain monitoring script, and you can monitor anything. It's not limited to the interface. You can monitor even a BGP neighbor output, or maybe you can monitor the OSPF neighborship status, something similar to that. And even this can be used to collect systematic data from a box. As if I have a box which is running on high CPU for every 24 hours, then I can run this for maybe like a couple of hours so that I'll know the trend of this box. What are the different queues, or which traffic is going in what queue, and what are the different daemons, what is the resources consumed by different daemons. We'll be able to capture it with the help by just tweaking the script. Okay, let me quickly show you a quick demo on this. So I'm just going to my box. I'm just logging to the shell of this box. I'm using the cat operator to make the file, the shell script. So let me name it as Moni hyphen fxp.sh. Just pasting the content. So we have the script in the box right now. Just checking the content. Okay. So whenever you're trying to capture this, so I would suggest to run it with the help of the no hope command. So basically it runs in the background, and we can use the ampersand operator so that we'll be just creating a process ID and we'll be running this script in the background. So even if I log out of this box at this moment, the script will be still running in the background in an infinite loop. I'm just running the script, no hope message followed by the script name. Basically, this creates a process ID. I can just look the status of this process ID with the help of the PSAX command. I'm just grabbing it for 5179. I'll be able to see this. Yeah, the shell script is there, which is running. So in order to confirm the script is running in the background, I'm just going to do a check on this file, which is just supposed to be written by the script. So I'm using the tail operator so that tail minus f and followed with the file name. Yes, we are able to see this. So basically, the script is trying to capture the statistics output of the out-of-band management interface. It's nothing but the FXP interface of the box. So, and it writes the content to a file with the date and time. So this we can use, this content, we can use it for any type of analysis, any feature analysis. Thank you, folks. Thanks for your time and watching this video. And I'll be just continuing the series on different types of scripts on Juniper gears. Yeah, bye.